We start the process with a 3D printed master model. Then we create a silicone mold by pouring liquid silicone over the master model. After the silicone hardens, we cut the mold open and remove the master model, leaving behind a precise cavity for casting. Now it's time for vacuum casting. We seal the mold and place it in a vacuum casting machine. Before casting, we carefully mix the resin, ensuring the right composition for durability and precision. The resin is then injected into the mold under vacuum, eliminating air bubbles and ensuring a flawless result. To achieve the required strength and stability, the cast parts are cured in a high-temperature oven. Once cured, we open the mold and remove the finished replica. To enhance the surface quality, we perform handcrafting, refining every detail to perfection. Finally, we inspect the dimensions using precise measuring tools, such as calipers and a coordinate measuring machine. And now you have high-quality vacuum cast products with fine details.